Imagine waking up to a major car repair bill or an unexpected medical expense, and you're not stressed at all. Today we'll reveal the secret to building an emergency fund that turns financial surprises into minor inconveniences. Stick around, because the final tip will make saving for emergencies feel effortless. Welcome back to Financial Blueprints. If you're new here, we're all about helping you take control of your finances. Today we're focusing on building an emergency fund, a financial safety net that everyone needs. Our final tip is a must-know strategy to make saving easier and more efficient. First things first, why do you need an emergency fund? Life is full of unexpected events: job loss, medical emergencies, car repairs. An emergency fund gives you the financial cushion to handle these surprises without going into debt. Without an emergency fund, even small unexpected expenses can turn into big financial problems. It's all about preparing for the unexpected and protecting your financial stability. Step 1 is to set your savings target. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This might seem daunting, but start small. Even $500 can cover minor emergencies and prevent you from using credit cards or loans. Calculate your essential monthly expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Multiply this by the number of months you want to cover, and you have your target. Next, open a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This keeps your emergency savings separate from your daily spending money, reducing the temptation to dip into it for non-emergencies. Look for a high-yield savings account to help your money grow faster with interest. Remember, every bit counts when you're building an emergency fund. Start small and be consistent. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund each payday, even if it's just $10 or $20. The key is consistency. Over time, these small contributions add up. Consistent saving builds the habit and gradually increases your fund without you having to think about it. Boost your fund with windfalls and bonuses. Did you get a tax refund, work bonus, or birthday money? Add it to your emergency fund. These unexpected gains can significantly accelerate your savings progress. Treat these windfalls as opportunities to fortify your financial safety net. Identify and cut back on non-essential expenses. Review your spending habits and see where you can cut back, whether it's dining out, subscription services, or impulse purchases. Redirect these savings to your emergency fund. It's about making small sacrifices now to ensure financial security in the future. And now, for our top tip, automate your emergency fund growth with a savings app that rounds up your purchases and saves the change. This way, every time you spend, you're also saving effortlessly. It's a simple yet powerful strategy to grow your fund faster. So there you have it. Practical steps to build your emergency fund. By setting a target, opening a separate account, starting small, using windfalls, and cutting non-essentials, you'll create a financial cushion that can handle life surprises. If you haven't seen our previous videos on understanding personal finance, creating a budget, and effective savings tips, be sure to check them out for more foundational advice. And stay tuned for our next video on debt management strategies. It's one you won't want to miss. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Financial Blueprints, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay smart with your money.